to my channel. I am Aparna and I make videos about beauty, fashion and self-care. Today I'm going to be talking about these amazing Ulta and Sephora deals that I really liked, and I finished my shopping because things were running like hotcake. I tried to film and edit this video as soon as possible so that it reaches you soon and you can get these deals as well. So I really hope you enjoy it, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. That would mean a lot to me. So I've tried to include a lot of products from the previous videos that I've made. Be sure to go check out my Instagram account, Beauty Inside Out by Aparna. And I have also linked all these videos in my stories today, just so that you can take a look at them and it'll be easy for you to relate with these products and how it was used. So let's start with our first deal of today. I'm going to start off this video with my most favorite offer online, and this one is from Sephora. So it is the 50% off on Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. I love the color combination that's present in this palette, the oranges, reds and the pinks. It's perfect for creating an Indian traditional look or any warm toned look. So I'm in total love with this. I have always wanted to buy this palette, but I found it a little expensive. So right now it's the perfect time to buy this one because there is a 50% off on $65 and you're going to get it for $32.50. So this is running out really fast, and if you want to get this, go online and get yours. Talking about eyeshadow palettes, I am going to next talk about my favorite eyeshadow palette, which is nothing but this Jaclyn Hill palette. You must have seen me using this palette in almost all my makeup videos. I like how pigmented these colors are, and just all these oranges and browns right here is really good to create like a warm shaded look. And I have used the same palette to do my makeup today, so if you like it, then you should definitely buy this. However, this one is called the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and there is no discount on this one, but there is a volume 2 of the same Jaclyn Hill palette which has more of pinks, and if you can see in this one you have browns and oranges, but there are no pinks in here. That's kind of something that I didn't like about this palette. Yeah, so Jaclyn Hill has kind of come back with a second volume of the same product and has all those colors that have been missing on this palette, and that one has a whopping 50% off, so you should definitely buy that one. So the palette looks something like this. As you can see, as soon as you look at the screen, the first thing that stands out is the shades of pink. There are numerous shades, and there's also purple and all these warm shades that I liked in the previous palette as well. So this one retails for $39, and right now after 50% discount it's retailing for $19.50. It has really beautiful set of colors, and I totally recommend this one. Since I have already personally used the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette myself, I can vouch for how pigmented the color is and how blendable the product itself is. So you should totally go for it. So now that we are done with the eyeshadow deals, so let's move on to skincare. So when it comes to skincare, I'm a big fan of Kiehl's products. I have their Midnight Recovery Serum and the eye cream. I use it almost daily. I mean, I try to use it daily. And I've seen that my skin feels really refreshed. Since I just love their products, I came across this deal for creamy eye treatment with avocado, and that generally retails for $50, and there is an amazing 50% off. So we are going to be getting it for $25, and it really has very good reviews. So since I kind of struggle with dark circles, I try to include some routines for my eye, and I am really excited to try this product. So I have ordered one for me, and if you are in the same boat and would like to try something for your eyes, then it's the right time to invest in this product, where you're getting a 50% off. So it just retails for $25 right now. So go for it and get one for yourself. So the next things are these facial sheet masks. Since like COVID started and all the salons closed, I wasn't able to go anywhere to get facials done. So I started doing these home facials, and I have made a video about the whole process. Definitely recommend you go check that video out. It's on Instagram right now. In that video, I have kind of used some masks, and those were from Target. It's called Yes to masks. So they come in different varieties and flavors, and I have tried quite a few of them, and I find them really rejuvenating on my skin. And right now there is a sale which is like buy two get two free, which I find is an amazing deal on these. So if you're into skincare, definitely go buy it. If you're not, then I highly recommend you start your own skincare routine and taking care of your skin. So the next product in the skincare section is going to be this Peter Thomas Roth Water Drenched Cloud Cream Cleanser. So to be frank with you, I have never tried this before, but I've heard a lot of amazing reviews about this brand, Peter Thomas Roth. So I am totally excited to try this one. And I decided to give this brand a try with the sale that's currently going on Ulta.com. So they have a 50% off on this one as well. It retails for $30 generally, and right now I got it for $15. So that is an amazing deal to try this product. So even Clinique has 50% off on their cleansers, and you can get a cleanser for $15. And for guys, if you're feeling left out, do not feel so. I have something for you as well. So there is this Jack Black Deep Dive Glycolic Facial Cleanser. One of my friends gifted a pack of this Blackjack skincare products to my husband on his birthday, and I just loved it. Like whenever he used those body wash and cleansers, like he smells so good. So I can vouch that this product really smells good. And in fact, I tried it on myself sometimes, and it just felt very refreshing. The skin feels, I felt more awake in the morning. Seems like it had a little bit of minty flavor in it. But overall, I think it's a very good product, and it retails for $23 generally, and currently it's on sale and it's retailing for $15. They have a lot of things like beard oil, serums, moisturizers, and a couple of things. So you can look into their website and choose any. On Ulta.com right now, the cleanser is on sale, so you can definitely check that one out. So talking about the face wash, there is another brand that I really like, which is The Body Shop. I used to buy some face wash and body wash from them, especially the rose flavored one. It had a really good scent, and I use tea tree oil and the tea tree flavored toner as well. They're really good. So they also have 50% discount going on, and there is the tea tree skin clearing facial wash, which retails for $14 generally, and currently it's on sale, and you can get it for $9.80. So that's an amazing deal, and it's a really good product. So tea tree oil is very well known for a lot of its health benefits. It helps with acne, clears your skin, and also gives it a glow. And another fun sale with Clinique in skincare section is that they have this fresh pressed 7-day recharge system for very dry to dry combination skin. One of my friend initially recommended them to me, and I was happy that I gave them a shot. So this one retails for $30, and if you buy anything from Clinique for worth $30, then you can get this recharge system for just $15. So basically you're getting 50% off on this product if you purchase something else worth $30 from Clinique on Ulta.com, which is a pretty good deal. So if you're anyway planning to buy maybe a face wash and a regular moisturizer from Clinique, that itself is going to be more than $30. So then you can get this one for 50% off and get it for $15. So that way you're going to get a couple of skincare products stacked up with you, so you can start giving them a try and see how it feels for your skin. So next, let's move on to a face base section. So there is a video that I have created on how to create a perfect foundation base by correcting, concealing all the dark spots, and creating a beautiful canvas for you to create any other look that you're interested in. Definitely do check out that video. And in that video, I had shown you a BB cream that I use every day. It's from Tarte, and I totally love this product so much. It's so smooth and soft and blends so well on your skin. I have used this for a year now. This is the product that I'm talking about, which is the BB Tinted Primer, which comes with an SPF of 30. It's almost getting over, and I wanted to get another. And there is no better time than right now because it's on sale and it has a 50% discount. So I have actually recommended this to a lot of my friends, even for people who aren't into makeup, who don't really do a lot of makeup. Like, the reason that I recommend this one is because you can make this a part of your daily skincare routine. This one has like SPF, so it acts like your sunscreen and also moisturizes your skin, and with the tint it also acts like a foundation. So it's like a 3-in-1 product. And so yeah, I mean, I would totally recommend this product to you. And right now, it after 50% discount, it's retailing for $18.50. So it's an amazing deal, and I definitely predict that it's going to run out really soon, almost all the shades. So hurry and get yourself one of this. Here is one product that you might really like. It's a full coverage foundation with SPF 15 from Tarte again, and this one is from Ulta.com. So it has a 50% off, so it generally retails for $39, and currently you can get it for $19.50. There are a lot of shades that you can try on. I got the one in 27S, which works for medium light to medium skin with yellow undertones. The best part about Tarte is the texture of the product. I just love how creamy and soft they are, and they blend so well onto your skin. It just feels like your second skin. While I really love them, they are definitely expensive. So like an drugstore alternative for this is the LA Girl product that it's really inexpensive and also amazing. So these correctors, I have used these in almost every video of mine. So the orange corrector, green corrector, and they even have concealers. So they come in a variety of colors, and I definitely recommend you guys buy this one. It's just good for all your dark circles, dark spots, and everything else. It retails for $4.99, and right now after discount you can get this for $2.49. So I recommend you stock it up. Talking about mascaras, I usually use this mascara from Estee Lauder. And actually I got it last Thanksgiving, I guess. Just like that one, I found a really good deal on one of the brands that I've always wanted to have, which is Too Faced. I think if you are a makeup buff, then you would have definitely heard about this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I have been wanting to buy this one, and right now there is a discount going on. So you can get $38 worth of product for just $17. And I am super excited to try this on and let you guys know how it is. Meanwhile, if you are a fan of Too Faced yourself or want to try out a good mascara, then I totally recommend this one for you. This pack comes with 3 items, which is a travel size Better Than Sex mascara, and a waterproof mascara, and also an Easy Glide waterproof liquid eyeliner. And now that we spoke about a lot of makeup that we're going to put on our face, we also need to address the fact that we kind of have to always remove the makeup before we go to bed. So that's one of the main things that you should always include as part of your skincare routine. So one of the products that I have been watching in a bunch of videos and wanted to try out is this original makeup eraser cloth. So I generally use these cotton swabs that you get, which I think is the most common one. However, like, it's more of a use and throw, and we do create waste to the environment. So I was thinking of going eco-friendly and trying this makeup eraser cloth. It basically looks like a turkey towel textured cloth, and they say that you don't even need makeup remover, and you can just use warm water and get makeup, all the makeup, which is like even the waterproof mascara, eyeliner, lipsticks, and everything of your face. And I've seen a bunch of videos like that, which looks really good. So I have decided to give this one a try, and if you are looking for this one, it retails for $20, and right now on sale you can get it for $14. So most of the products that I shared with you guys are from Ulta.com, except the Huda Beauty palette. This year I found Ulta.com to have really great offers and amazing deals. So like these were some of my favorites. I couldn't put all of them in here because I want to get this video done, filmed, edited, and everything really out soon, so that you can get to these videos and get to these products while the supplies last. In fact, when I was looking at them, just within half an hour, you know, things sold out really quick. So I do not want you guys to miss out on them, and try to bundle up all the best products, like best deals that I really loved and admired from Ulta.com as well as Sephora. So hope you guys liked it, and if you enjoyed this video or found even a single product to be helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me if you share this with your friends and family, and I would be very happy if it like helps you out. And so I would like to hear from you in the comments below as to which products were your favorite, which products you didn't like, and how did your Black Friday shopping go this year? Are you shopping or not shopping? Anything that you would like to share. And thank you so much for watching. Wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. Also check out my Insta handle and my Facebook account. Until next time, bye bye.
Yeah.